after ng 12:30, sumakit yung tiyan ko. So, nilabas niya yung mga kinain ko the other day, yung mga toxins na galing doon. May in-order ako from Pillow Bread PH. Ang tawag dito is 3-day fat burn and digestive reset. So, na-notice ko kasi the past few days talagang medyo pasaway ako sa pagkain. And lagi ako nagkikrave ng sweets. So, gusto ko ulit na at least mabawasan yung craving ko for sweets and ma-cleanse din yung gut ko because of the food that I take the past few weeks, no. So, and then mag-beach din kasi kami. So, baka makatulong din naman sa pagpapalit ng konti ng tiyan and weight loss. So, currently yung weight ko is 52.25. Kasi nga, tinawag ko na ng pagkain kahapon kasi nga magre-reset today. So, wag niyo akong gayahin, hindi dapat ganun. So, dapat days before pa lang, binabawasan niyo na yung pagkain niyo. As I said, it's a 3-day fasting. My morning detox before I cook breakfast for my family. So, dadalhin ko kayo sa journey ko for 3 days. And afterwards, I'll give you my thoughts about it. So, guys, na-reheat ko na siya sa oven top. Sa stove top pala. Nilagay ko na lang dito. Ito yung first drink ko for the day. Fiber drink. So, today guys is April 16 pala. April 17. So, 10 a.m. Ito yung breakfast drinks. This is bulletproof strawberry shake juice. So, ito na guys yung lunch. Sugar-free green slushy. Sinake ko na siya maigi. So, kanina, tinake ko yung lemon water ng 9:15 a.m. tapos 10 yung breakfast na strawberry. And then, after ng 12:30, sumakit yung tiyan ko. Parang ako nag-LBM. Tapos yun, nag-CR ako. Then ngayon, observe ako yung tiyan ko. Medyo better naman na. So, let's try this. Kung anong mararamdaman ko after 5:07. Pinagluto ko lang sila Maki, tsaka yung kids ang food. And then, ito na yung dinner ko. So, hindi kami naman talaga kumakain ng super gabi. So, this is the tomato and basil soup. So, yan lang. Tikman natin. Sarap naman siya. Actually, may mga lasa yung food eh. Ang in-expect ko kasi as in totally walang lasa. Pero, siya, tasty naman yung mga food nila. Ayun lang, samahan niyo ulit ako bukas. So, I'm back guys. So, I chose na lang na initin. Eto, nainit ko na siya. Nandito na siya. Tingin. Kita ba? Yan. Ininit ko na lang kasi ang pangalan din niya is ginger turmeric warmies. So, I think it's but right to heat it. So, ayan. So, 9:21 na today, Friday, April 18. And yesterday nga, grabe yung detoxification ng katawan ko. As in, sumakit talaga yung tiyan ko. Tapos 3 beses ako napunta sa CR. So, kinaya naman. I felt better today. Felt lighter. I think nakatulong din kasi, of course, the past few days nga lakas ko rin kumain. And then, nag-detox ako kahapon. So, nilabas niya yung mga kinain ko the other day. Yung mga toxins na galing doon. And then, kasi meron tong parang nakita ko may chia seed eh. Kasi ito may turmeric. So, I think this is good for the tummy. Kasi sumakit talaga yung tiyan ko. And then, I asked them if that's normal. And they responded naman that that's normal. So guys, ending day 2 with a warm pumpkin soup. I feel hungry today. Siguro kapag I don't feel as much hungry kasi nga I've eaten a day before. So ngayon second day. So naka-fast na ako yesterday. So naka-liquid fast na ako because of the whole diet. So medyo gutom ako today. So at marami rin naman akong ginawa. So ayan, it's 3:58 p.m. So ito na yung dinner ko. So just in case, I grabbed frozen strawberries. So sabi dito, sa instruction nila, pwede kang kumain ng cucumber or strawberries na 30 grams lang. So apparently, 30 grams of frozen strawberries, just 2 pieces. Medyo malalaki naman itong strawberry na to. Ayan siya. So, ilalagay ko siya sa side. Just in case pagkakain ko nito, gutom pa ako. This is herb pumpkin soup, yung pangalan niya. Low carb naman daw. Guys, it's the third day. So, ito yung lemon water detox. Ininit ko na siya, kaya nandito na siya sa baso. Ayun, update. Medyo nanghihina lang ako today. Siguro kulang ako sa electrolyte. So, I'll try to drink warm water, lemon water with salt later. Breakfast. Time check, it's 9:07. April 19, Saturday. Last day na ng detox ko. So, tomorrow mag-weigh in ako how much I lost. So, expected naman may malulose ka kasi hindi ka naman kumain talaga. Literally for 3 days. So, ito winarm ko na. May mga chia seed siya. So, kung active yung lifestyle mo, I suggest na lie low ka muna for the 3 days na reset. Kasi talagang it will require you energy and since nga mababa lang yung caloric intake mo, baka manghina ka lang talaga. So, ayan guys, last meal of the day na to. Ito yung cauliflower soup. I'm so happy na matatapos na tayo. Happy rin ako na nakapag-detox ako for 3 days kasi gusto ko talagang tanggalin yung sweets or i-minimize yung sweet intake ko. Ayun lang guys. So, tomorrow, mag-weigh in naman tayo. Then, papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano itsura ng body ko after the 3 days cleanse.
Yay! Finally, April 20 na. It's time to weigh in. 50.10 na lang ako compared to 52.15. I lost 2.05 kilograms or 4.5 pounds. This is my before and after. Talagang nawala yung bloating around my waist, guys. So, worth it ba siya? Yes. You just have to be committed in doing the cleansing for 3 days. Kasi nga, you will experience yung mga withdrawal mo sa sugar and manghihina ka rin talaga kung hindi ka sanay. Yun lang. Bye!